Hello my crypto fam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, you need to pay attention. And attention to all soldiers out there, because right now the strongest meme army has arrived on Solana. With a 0% tax, a full meme mythic narrative and a chart prime for a battle, MEMECOIN is calling you to the trenches. This isn't just another meme guys, believe me, it's a moment and we need to check it out right now. I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. MEMECOIN is a community-driven meme token built around the idea that frogs and toads together from the army. Yes, right now led by the fictional General Hopkins, it symbolizes right now unity, growth and collective strength in the crypto battlefield. Every token right now is a bullet in your arsenal, and the more you hold, the stronger your firepower is with well. Total supply, as you can see, of 1 billion tokens right now. With that, MEMECOIN is designed for a viral growth. You'll see guys in today's video that MEMECOIN isn't just about the memes, it's about creating a cultural identity and a united community, which is right now really incredible. As you can see guys, the army right now is free to join and leave it at any time. Loyalty will be rewarded. As you can see guys, on team one time we have a 0% for buy and 0 taxes on that way right now, ensuring that we have always the smooth transactions and we don't need to worry about anything about fees or something like that. Zero guys. Thank you for that. As you can see right now, this is guys there right now. Enlist, get ready soldier, it's time to enlist. As you can see, you can right now get their token guys. First of all, you need to download a solid wallet, namely get your Solana wallet, get your rifle like the Phantom, Sulfur, or the MetaMask. Load ammunition, of course, you need to buy of course some assets on a Binance or some exchanges out there and load it to your wallet. And after that, you just need to swap your Solana for the MEMECOIN. And as you can see right now, you are in. And after that, you can guys join the company and follow them on the their, as you can see, socials over here on the X and Twitter. I'm going to follow them as well to of course be informed with everything that's happening in the project, to stay informed with everything that's happening right now with the army, I would say. And of course right now feel that great, as you can see, MEMECOIN, and because right now this is going to be a really real weapon in our MEMECOIN, I would say, world. Also right now you can join the Telegram portal as well, be engaged right now with the army out there, with the great soldiers, and as well right now have the fun. And of course on the other side, of course, feel right now what is right now one of the hottest tokens in our space as well. When you right now take a look over here on that screen guys on the chart, as you can see, the army is currently trading about 0.20, as you can see, $3012 with a $3 million market cap, about 3 million right now, as well the few daily valuation, and right now liquidity about $240,000. Daily volume, as you can see, sits right now about 250k. Or he's showing that right now on active trading with hundreds of buyers and the sellers, what you can see over here with your own eyes. And the charts right now shows consolidation right at a good point to fly again, I would say, as a momentum builds for the next offensive. As you can see right now, the numbers, I would say, show right now that MEMECOIN has a strong base. It's still early, but the setup looks like a perfect battleground for the next breakout and moment time for this coin to fly again. As you can see with your own eyes, when you guys swipe over here the line, you can see right now that the army is going up, and we have a really great reasons for that. Right now they're going guys into one great pull cycle, I would say, and on that right now is a great I would say moment to get it of course and to consider it to expand your portfolio with the MEMECOIN. I would say right now the branding is powerful. Join the army isn't just a slogan, it's a rallying cry, I would say, and the frogs and toads together are called an army, giving right now the meme and natural identity. Hold it right now, did it like a soldiers guys, and loyalty is rewarded, but anyone right now can join or leave the ranks freely. One more time guys, with 0% buy and sell tax, every soldier fights on an equal footing. When I sum it up and wrap it up guys, right now I would say the project right now is really great. And guys, all the soldiers out there, the time has come. The MEMECOIN right now brings unity, culture and memes on the Solana with 0% tax, growing community and chart ready to march up for. Right now the army is scattering the trenches. The only question right now is, will you enlist or watch from the sidelines? Of course guys, you need to decide for yourself. This isn't a financial advisor, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research of course, as always. But when you ask me, I think right now the MEMECOIN has a bright future with everything what I can see over here in the project. What I can tell you guys, please leave me your opinions in the comments down below, and check on the description box down below and smash that like, share and subscribe, it means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I can only tell right now, MEMECOIN to the moon.